Ask an AI to picture amala, a Nigerian classic, and it chokes. Ask it for an American hot dog, nails it every time. Researchers ran that test across 3 different image models, same result. And it's not just pictures. Ask almost any AI for a recipe from outside the American mainstream, and it quietly rewrites the dish in an American accent. By the end of this, you'll know how that happens, why you'd never catch it, and the 3 words that fix it. Oh, and the worst hit cuisine? Not the one you guess. Stick around.
So what does Americanizing a dish actually look like? Here's the trap. There's no single wrong ingredient you can point at. You get a dozen reasonable-looking swaps that, stacked together, quietly land you on a different dish. Ask for Sichuan mapo tofu. The AI nails the soul of it. Doubanjiang, those numbing peppercorns. Then it gets timid. It skips the chili oil, leans on a little soy, thickens everything with a cornstarch slurry. But the real thing, the way they cook it in Chengdu, it should numb your lips, with the heat coming from chili crisp ladled on at the end. The AI didn't lie to you. It just assumed your kitchen and your spice tolerance. That's the whole trick. We wanted to measure this, not just feel it. So we ran 25 dishes through 5 AI assistants back in early Jan. 5 traditions: Mexican, Sichuan, Nigerian, Sicilian, and Tamil, named in their home tradition: cochinita pibil, dandan mian, agusi soup, sardea beccafico, kuzi paniaram. No extra instructions, just the name. Then we scored every answer on one thing. Did the keystone ingredients and techniques actually survive? The results were not close. Here's the scorecard out of 100. ChatGPT, 39. Gemini, 35. Claude, 43. Perplexity, pulling live results, climbed to 52. And the best score of all, Recipe, pinned to a regional chef persona, 64. Read that again. The winner sits at 64. Nothing cracked 71 on any single cuisine. And remember that worst hit cuisine I promised you, Tamil, dead last across every model. The less of a cuisine that lives on the English language internet, the harder the AI just makes it up. So why does this keep happening? 3 things stack up. 1, training data. The English internet is the main recipe source, and inside it, SEO food blog content wins. Mostly written for American readers. The Americanized version isn't the fringe of the data, it's the center of it. 2, retrieval doesn't save you. When an AI pulls live results, it pulls what ranks, and what ranks is more American food blogs. 3, fluency. The answer sounds perfect, so nobody double checks. A team at a major AI fairness conference even had a name for the harm. They called it erasure based on region. And that's the real cost. Say you grew up on your family's jollof, 2nd generation, and you ask an AI to make it. What comes back is fluent, confident, and nothing your mom would ever serve. It reads beautifully. That's exactly why the mistake slips past you. One critic called it soft erasure by autocomplete. We don't lose anything dramatic. We just lose distinction, 1 generation at a time. And cooks outside the tradition never even meet the real dish. They learn the autocomplete version and quietly start calling it the original. Okay, so how do you actually beat this? 3 moves. First, name the subregion, not the country. Ask for Oaxacan mole, Yoruba jollof, Sichuan mapo, never the national version. Second, use the original language name. Kuzi paniaram pulls a sharper answer than Indian dumplings every time. Third, specify the version. Home, street, or festival. And if you'd rather just bake it in, pinning a regional chef persona in recipe lifted authenticity 18 to 32 points, the biggest single jump we measured all year. Because most apps just run on your phone, recipe runs your kitchen, and a kitchen knows the difference between Mexican and Oaxacan. Here's the bigger picture. Most AI cooking apps in 2026 are racing on the wrong things. Prettier screens, faster answers, slicker pantry tracking. But the largest unsolved problem isn't speed, it's authenticity. The cuisines AI nails are the ones already overrepresented online. The ones it flattens are the ones billions of people actually cook. So next time an AI hands you a recipe from somewhere far away, remember the hot dog and the amala. Then ask sharper, name the region. The full breakdown's on the recipe blog. And next time, something just as quietly broken. Why AI still can't read your grandmother's handwriting. See you there.
Subscribe, Long-form explainers, weekday afternoons.